Good morning, everybody. How are you? Fine. Today we will start the first lesson that is about long division by one-digit numbers. For example, how do we solve 36,987 divided by 5? Before we start, let's revise what do we call each number here. What do we call 5 and what do we call 36,987? We are dividing by 5, so 5 we call it divisor. So 5 is our divisor. We are dividing which number? 36,987, so it's the dividend. So the number that's written down is the dividend and the number that's written up is the divisor. In order to divide them, first step, you should write the table beside you. So it's better to write the table beside each equation in order to look and choose the closest number. So I will start by writing table 5. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. We will count just 9 numbers in each table. So 0, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's start now digit by digit. If we look at the first digit, it's a 3. Which number very close to 3 in table 5? Which number very close to 3 and less than 3? 0. So we have to write 0 up, 0 down. But another way, instead of writing 0 up, 0 down, we can choose quickly the first 2 digits because 0 is nothing. So if the first digit is less than the table, quickly choose the first 2 digits. So 36. How many 5s are in 36? How many 5s are there in 36? So which number very close to 36 in table 5 and less than 36? It has to be less. It's 35. Which number give us 35? If you look here, it's 7. So we know that 5 times 7 equals 35. So we must place 7 up and 35 where? Down. So place 7 up and 35 down. When we choose the closest number, now we have to subtract. 6 minus 5 equals 1. Now the next step is the same as the previous one. Before I choose the closest number, we must copy the next digit. We copied just one digit. So we must copy 9, then we look at the table and choose the closest one. So let's copy 9. Now the number is 19. Which number very close to 19 in table 5? Which number? It's 15. So we know that 5 times 3 equals 15. So up we have to place what? We have to place, so we know that 5 times 3 equals 15. So up we have to place 3 and down 15. So place the 3 above the division bar and 15 were down. Now let's subtract. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Okay, we subtract. Now what shall I do? The same way we are repeating. We will copy the next digit. We can copy just one digit, not more than one. So I will copy, bring down the next digit, that is 8. Okay, it becomes 48. 48. Now I will ask you, which number very close to 48 in table 5 and less than 48? Which number? It's 45. So we know that 5 times 9 equals 45. So 9, where should I place it? It has to be up. 45, where? It has to be down. Okay, if we subtract them now, the remainder will be 3. So it's a 3. Now we should copy which number? We should copy 7. So now we should copy 7 beside 3. Okay, let's choose now the closest number. Which number very close to 37 in table 5? It's 35. Which number give us 35? It's 7. So we must place again 7 up and 35 where? Down. Subtract 35 from 37. If we subtract them, the remainder will be how much? It's 2. Do we have more digits in order to copy them? No more digits, so we stop. That's it. So, what do we call now the number that's written down? And what do we call the number that's written up? Down, it's the remainder. So the remainder is 2, which means 2 are left. So 2 is the remainder. And the number that's written up, 7,397, is the quotient. Okay? So the quotient of the quotient or the answer of our problem is 7,397 and the remainder equals 2. Okay? Okay guys, it's so easy. Just pay attention to the table. Thank you. Bye bye.